Good morning, students. In the last video, we had seen pronouns. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. If it is repeated, means we are using pronoun. What are the pronouns do we know? Yes, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are the things that we had seen in the last class itself, isn't it? Yes. What are the kinds of pronouns? There are 8 kinds of pronouns. Relative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphasizing pronouns, indefinite pronouns, interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, possessive pronouns, personal pronouns. Yes, we have reflexive pronoun and personal pronouns. Got it, children? Yes, here personal pronouns already we have seen. I, you, she, he, it, we, they. Here I refers first person singular. We refers first person plural. Then he, she, it refers third person singular. You refers second person singular as well as plural. They refers third person plural. Got it, children? Yes, I goes to me in the object form. You goes to you. She goes to her. He goes to him. It goes to it. We goes to us. They goes to them. Okay, these pronouns replace a noun or nouns in the naming part of a sentence. Here, naming part of a sentence refers subject. What? Can you tell me an example? Yes, the salesman happily sold the robot to the man and the women. Here, sold the robot to the man and the women refers telling part. So, we have to refer this object when the salesman happily sold the robot to them. Next example, a woman walks with a dog. The dog has a bushy tail. Yes, a woman walks with a dog. It has a bushy tail. The dog repeats again in the second sentence. So instead of dog, we are writing here it. We are using pronoun. Yes, next go to reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun is used when we want to refer back to the subject of the sentence or when the subject is also the object of the sentence. Yes, I am telling you very clearly. A reflexive pronoun refers to a person, animal or thing. That is the subject of the verb. Okay, what does it refer? These reflexive pronouns, no? What does it refer? The subject of the verb. We can change a personal pronoun into a reflexive pronoun when we need to point back to the doer of the action. Who is the doer of the action? That we refer subject. Got it, children? Yes. Here, reflexive pronouns are formed by joining suffix. Already I told you, suffix means we are adding 2 or 3 letters after the word, after the affix, that we call it as suffix. Here we are adding self to the singular number, selves to the plural form. Here what are the plural form that we know? Yes, we, ourselves, they, themselves, you. If it is plural form, we can use yourselves. Got it, children? Yes. Reflexive pronouns refer back to nouns or pronouns that occur before them. For example, she cooked the dinner herself. They enjoyed themselves. He introduced himself. Here, in this first sentence, she refers subject, cooked refers verb, the dinner refers object, herself refers reflexive pronoun. This reflexive pronoun we can see after verb, that we call it as reflexive pronoun. Here I comes means it goes to myself. You, if it is singular, then it become yourself in the reflexive pronoun. You, plural form, it becomes yourselves. He becomes himself. She becomes herself. It becomes itself. They becomes themselves. We becomes ourselves. Here 3 plural forms. What are they? you, they and we. For this alone we are using selves. Remaining part we are using self. Okay, this we call it as reflexive pronouns. Yes, now can you tell me what do you see? Yes, I see myself. Here I refer subject, see refers verb, myself refers reflexive pronoun. Yeah, reflexive pronouns are types of objects. A reflexive pronoun refers back to the subject of the sentence or class. The object reflects the subject. You can say, you see yourself. Okay, here it is singular, that's why using yourself. Got it, children? Yes. Now, there is a small difference between reflexive pronoun and emphasizing pronouns. That's why I am including emphasizing pronouns here. Pronouns that are used to convey emphasis are called emphasizing pronouns. What does it emphasize here? For example, I myself baked this chocolate cake. Actually, I told you before, for reflexive pronoun, first subject, verb, either object or reflexive pronoun. But emphasizing pronoun, once the subject finished, okay, then there itself you can use myself, himself, herself, whatever it is, themselves, whatever it is, you can use it after subject. Then another one, how do you identify this is emphasizing pronouns means here I myself baked this chocolate cake. That means you are baking the cake, the chocolate cake yourself, isn't it? So it is not happened regularly, it happens occasionally. That's why it reflects. Then next sentence, the principal himself came to the class. That means that principal subject, once you finished the subject, the next we are using himself. So this we call it as emphasizing pronouns. And another one, the principal will not come to class regularly, isn't it? So the principal himself came to the class means it happens rarely, isn't it? That's there and all we are using emphasizing pronouns. Got it, children? Yes. Here, how do we find out whether the pronoun has been used as a reflexive pronoun or an emphasizing pronoun? Here, pronouns like myself, yourself, himself, when used as the receiver of an action are called reflexive pronouns. Emphasizing pronoun is used to emphasize the action of the subject. Then and there it reflects. Okay, that's why example, she cooked the dinner herself, she herself cooked the dinner. Here in this emphasizing pronoun, she cooked the dinner rarely, not every day. Got it, children? That is the difference between reflexive pronoun and emphasizing pronoun. Yes, reflexive pronoun examples, the boy hurt himself. Here the boy refers subject, hurt refers verb, himself refers reflexive pronoun. After subject and verb we can see reflexive pronoun. Then Bunty and Cookie bought themselves costumes for the fancy dress competition. Here Bunty and Cookie here refers subject, themselves refers reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun comes after verb. Got it, children? Yes, here there are more reflexive pronouns than just yourself and myself. For example, himself and herself are also reflexive pronouns. As I told you before, self and selves can be used. If it is plural, we can use selves. If it is singular, we can use self. Got it, children? I have given example also here. I. What is the reflexive pronoun for I? Myself. Example, I see myself. You, singular, yourself. Then what is the example? You see yourself. Then he, what is the reflexive pronoun? Himself. Example, he sees himself. Similarly, we can use it. Got it, children? Yes, let you try yourself. Now it's your turn. Can you fill in the gaps? I hope that you all understand the difference between reflexive pronoun and the emphasizing pronouns. Got it, children? Yes, now it's your turn. Let you try. Complete the following sentences by placing the correct reflexive pronoun. My little brother talks to dash when he is in front of the mirror. My little brother talks to whom? Let you write the answer. Only you can take care of? Write it. I always make sure that I make dash look good. We had been enjoying dash at Paul's party. I wash dash. She is looking at dash in the mirror. They are teaching dash English. Yes, let you write the answers for all these questions. Once you finished, write the answers, take the photo and send it to email. Check it whether your answer is right or wrong. Got it, children? Yes, this chart I had given you for your reference. If first person, second person, third person and all, we understood it, isn't it? Yes, if it is subject pronouns, what is the object pronoun for that? What is the possessive adjectives for that? What is the possessive pronouns and what is the reflexive pronouns? You have learned possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives in your grade 3. Let you revise all these things. Got it, children? Then only you can frame the sentences without any hesitation. Okay, I hope that you all understood this part. Yes, what is your homework? Complete page number 46 and 47 in your content book. Got it, children? Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.